Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Infiniti G37 computer. Start by turning off the ignition and removing keys immediately, then open the hood and locate the battery. Wear gloves and eye protection, and use a 10 mm wrench to loosen the negative terminal clamp. Disconnect the negative terminal and gently tuck it aside to avoid contact. Wait for the electrical system to fully discharge before proceeding to reconnection steps and system checks. After disconnecting the negative terminal, leave it isolated for a minimum of 30 minutes to allow all modules and capacitors to discharge completely. Use this time to inspect battery terminals for corrosion and clean if needed with a baking soda solution or terminal cleaner. When reconnecting, ensure the clamp seats fully on the terminal and tighten just until snug to avoid damaging the post. Start the vehicle and monitor for warning lights and odd behavior. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more car tips. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money makes a great reward after a successful DIY reset, and it ties to smart ownership decisions. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want that recommendation. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once reconnected, start the G37 and allow it to idle for a few minutes so sensors and the ECU can initialize. If any warning lights appear, use an OBD2 scanner to read and clear codes or note them for further diagnosis. Take a short, gentle drive of several miles with varied speeds to let the engine and transmission relearn idle, throttle response, and shift points. Monitor performance and return if issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.